Good evening to all of you, and welcome to our 4th edition of AXA Call to Action. If I want to define AXA Call to Action, this event aspires to gather the best minds of the industry to dwell on topical themes which require the industry attention. And this evening we are having with us the best minds of the finance function, and we are going to discuss transforming finance. And this topic is very close to my heart as I led the Finance Center of Excellence at AXA. With the shift to the digital economy, new ways of new business and new operating models are coming to forefront. Organizations are breaking down classical industry barriers. They are investing into new pricing and new operating models, and they are also productizing products and services. So all of this calls to new level of strategic insight. It calls as well to more flexibility into the operating model, and it also calls to a faster response from the finance functions to the business. So for example, blockchain, predictive analytics, big data, cloud computing, RPA, these are not just buzzwords. All of these are reality, they are now, and it's the immediate future in order to enable the finance function to achieve the expectations of the business and to help the business in their areas. In fact, if we look at some statistics provided by the Digitalist magazine, we learned that 87% of the fastest growing, of the finance functions of the fastest growing companies, they closely and efficiently collaborate with IT, against just 65% of the slowest growing companies. We also learned that 75% of the finance functions of the fastest growing companies, they closely work as well with research and development teams, against 54% of the slowest growing companies. So definitely when we look at those figures, there is a clear business case of adopting technology in a very fast and really agile way. So we spoke about the business changes, the technology changes, but similarly to all those changes, in my view, the skills needed to work in the finance function are also changing today. Of course, more than ever, we need deep data intimacy, we need deep and strong technical expertise, but we also need finance teams who are able to quickly interact and adapt the new technologies in order to provide relevant insights and in order to provide also, in order to reduce the time to market, the market being the business side, in order to provide them with the relevant insights to do the business. But it's not enough, because what we are also looking at, we are looking at sharpened business acumen in the finance function itself. We are looking at strong consultancy skills. We are looking at strong negotiation and influencing skills. And I am sure that all of you around the table appreciated your negotiation skills when discussing some figures with the business. So it's a key topic in the finance function. And also, of course, we need from the finance function the ability to transform data-driven insights into actionable advice and recommendation to the business. So to cut a long story short, the future employee of the function, of the finance function, is no less than a superman or a superwoman, as you can see. So I'm sure that the panelist discussion and with the eminent panel, the members that we have here, this discussion will continue along those lines, and I'm sure that the conversation will be very interesting. So welcome again, and thank you for being with us this evening.